Today I'm going to review on bought Airbuds 441 model after using around 6 months. So this is Saiteja, you're watching my channel. Without any delay, let's get into it. So let's talk about the pros of this product. So the first pro I can say is like the size of this box is very small, you can see, and it is pretty handy. You can carry it anywhere, and also the design is also very smooth. The edges and all, they have designed it very pretty good. And this have input of 5 watts, so this we can charge it with our C-type charger. So most of us nowadays are using our C-type pins, so this is we can charge with our mobile charger as well. And they have also given us the small charging pin wire, which is around one this much of length. I don't know what is the size. So, and coming to the design of the AirPods, as you can see, oh, so as you can see, they are pretty small, and the look and feel is also very good. And if I open it and show it to you, so these are pretty good. And one more benefit of this is like these are water resistant, so you can easily use it even in the rain, as well as even in the gym. This is best useful for our gym purpose, because uh, even if we sweat, this will not get damaged, as well as these are wireless, as you know. So and the coming, if we talk about battery backup of this particular AirPods box, this gets charged around, it gets around 1 hour of full charging. To get it fully charged, it takes around 1 to 1.5 hours to get it fully charged. If the battery charging is empty, it shows here as a red color. If you can see here, let me show you. So now it is a little pinkish, so it is about to, the battery life is almost drained in this. So once the battery is completely down in this particular box, it shows as red color. So when it gets fully charged, it completely will turn into blue color. So as well as when it is charging the buds, also it will show the color color of this particular power backup of this particular box, what how much charging is left in this particular box, so we can know when to charge this. So as well as coming to the battery life of the AirPods, so I can say this almost gives us 3 to 4 hours of charging backup when it is charged. And also it takes, where it will get charged with pretty fast in this. So totally we can get around 6 to 7 hours of battery backup of this AirPods if we use individually. So in the box we can see it has shown us as 10 hours of charging, but we don't get that much of charging. So but if we use both combined, it will give us around 3 to 4 hours of charging. And so it also have fingerprint sensor, so we can pick our calls by just clicking on this, and we can play music and offer music just by pressing on this. And also if you want to offer use only single AirPods, and if you don't want to use other AirPod, we can just press it here, and if we can hold it like this, so if in few seconds it will turn off. So as you can see, it is, yeah, now it got turned off, it is in red color now. So even if we press and hold, it will again gets powered on, and now you can see it is green. So this is how we can use it, turn on and off a single earbud. And if we want to connect, while connecting, the connection with our mobile is also very simple. Why, if we are pairing it for the first time, we just need to on our Bluetooth in our mobile, and also we have to hold our AirPods in this way, so till it get paired. So when we hold this 2 AirPods in this way, we'll get option of our AirPods in our mobile phone, so we can directly pair in that way, and then it will be ready to use. Yeah, and coming to the sound, which is main. So as you guys everyone know, bot is a very trusted brand, and it also gives us the products into very cost friendly, and the sound quality is also pretty good as well as always. I can say even with the wired or even it's wireless, this quality of the sound is pretty good. Yeah, when coming to the quality of the AirPods, the quality of the AirPods is also pretty nice. They have used a pretty good material for this, and also we have a rubber straps to hold in our ears. So even the quality of this is also pretty good. I can say even they also have given multiple pairs of the earbuds, so we can change it as per our the size of our ears. So the quality of the charging box is also pretty good. They have used a good material for this. When coming to cons of this product, so we cannot use more than 1 2 hours. So if we use more than 1 2 hours, our ear starts paining. So if you want to watch a movie or some thing more than 2 3 hours, then I don't recommend this product. Why? Because your ear starts paining and you will feel so much of discomfort in your ears. And also, it is not pretty much useful for the people who have small cavities. So like it fits for my in my ear cavum, but when my sister uses this, it slips off from her ears. Actually, it doesn't fit for our ears. So so this is also not, so that's what I can say, like this is not used for the people who have small cavums like this area. So these are pretty much cons I can say for this. Apart from that, the sound quality and everything is pretty good, and you can, as I said, the battery life is also very good. So yeah, so this is pretty much about this product. So if you want to buy this product, I will give a link in my description. You can buy it from there. So and this is not any promotional video, I'm making it clear. So that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss the content I'm posting in my channel, please share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon down there. See you with the next video. Until then, bye bye.